Right everyone, I'm going to show you how quickly you can build an expert advisor using the FxDreema interface. So first up, I'm going to do a moving average crossover type of system. So I'm looking for, well, I'll walk you through how it's going to be built as I'm building it. So to start off with, we're going to chuck in some specific filters. So this is an if trade and a no trade. So flip them around here. And I'm going to add in some another filter actually as well. So this one's going to give us the ability to, so that it's only going to look at something once per bar. So this is connected here. So if there's no trade running, once per bar, we're going to look at this condition, and this condition is going to be that the price has to be under the 200 moving average, and we're just going to say is below 200 moving average. Oops, sorry, got this around the wrong way. We're going to say the candle high is going to be below the 200 moving average. So let's just change that and click update. Right, so that's our first condition. So the candle needs to be below the 200 moving average, and our buy condition here is going to be that the simple moving average for the 5 period crosses above the 20 period moving average. So that's going to be our first signal for a buy trade. So let's add in a buy trade here, and the buy trade is just going to, I'm going to leave it the standard properties, which is 100 pips stop loss, 100 pip take profit. And we're going to do the same for the sell trade, so I'm just going to copy that across, and this is going to happen if it's above the 200 SMA. So we're going to just go if that crosses below, and click update, and we're going to add the sell trade in here. So if I connect this, and that's got the same properties as the buy trade. Right, so that's going to exit at 100 pips take profit or 100 pips stop loss. But what if we want to exit at the 200 20 moving average crossing over the 200 moving average? So I'm going to build that in now. So if we just get another condition block here and chuck that in, and we're going to say if this is for exiting a buy trade, so if the 20 SMA crosses above, or when it crosses above the 200 SMA, we're going to exit our buy trade. So we're going to collect that and just select buy trades. And then we're going to do the same for sell trades. And we're going to do if it crosses below for the sell trade. Okay, that's it. So that took me, I think, 3 minutes odd to do. So let's save that now, and we're going to run it through the tester. So I'm going to save it as, so we're going to call it FxDreema Demo version 1.1. And let's jump into the MetaTrader 4 platform, where I'm going to run a test to show you how it works. Right, so you can see here that EA doesn't exist. Let's hit refresh, and it'll appear in this list underneath Demo EA. There it goes, FxDreema Demo version 1.1. Let's run a test on the Great British Pound New Zealand Dollar 5-minute chart for a month in 2014. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so it's entered the trade there, closed, so it's all working. And let's have a look at the chart down the bottom there. Not going so well. And there we go, it's starting to take off a bit now. Okay, let's stop it there and just have a look and see if the rules are being met. So if we give this a bit more space. Right, so for a buy trade, 5 period moving average crosses over the 20 period moving average. You can see there the crossover happens. So it enters a buy trade, and we're going to exit the buy trade when the 20 period moving average crosses over the 200 period moving average, which is about there. So there, so you can see exits the trade there. So this, and we can see for the sell trade it's the same. So crosses below the 5 crosses below the 20 into your sell trade here, and then the 20 moving average crosses over the 200, and you exit the sell trade there. So you can see there that this is how FxDreema works and how quickly you can build EAs that do generate some profit. I mean, this one I came up with in about 2 minutes, so it's not been well thought through, but as you can see there, it does have some profitable trades, and I'm sure if you optimized it, you could make it work a little bit harder. So just to give you an idea as to how complex these projects can be, I'm just going to show you what the Candy Shop EA looks like from a FxDreema point of view. So this is how it looks, and if I scroll down, and this is only a portion of it, you can actually zoom out and make it a lot more easy to read and all that sort of stuff, but these can become quite complex depending on what you're trying to build into the Expert Advisor. So that's it for me now, and I'm going to leave you back with myself on the webinar.